Want to make sure your HVAC system in Fort Myers lasts longer and runs more efficiently? Start with these tips from Extreme Temp. First, remember that your system works hard all year, so routine maintenance is a must. Change your air filters every 1 to 3 months to keep airflow strong and protect your equipment from extra wear. Schedule annual professional maintenance to catch small issues before they turn into big, expensive problems. Keep the area around your outdoor unit clear of debris and trim any plants or bushes nearby. Seal up any air leaks around doors, windows, and ductwork to help your system maintain the right temperature without working overtime. Use a programmable or smart thermostat to better control your home's climate and reduce unnecessary strain. And never ignore strange noises or changes in performance. Catching problems early can save you money and hassle. For expert help and reliable service, call Extreme Temp at 239-274-5795 and keep your home comfortable year-round.